Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1966 to 1972 Smith-Corona Galaxie Deluxe vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top is the adjustable paper guide that allows you to load the page in straight, and I like to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper. These are your margins, and I'm going to set at about the beginning and the end of a page, and this is the support arm that holds the page up right. This is the paper bell that sits on top and holds it down. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit the last space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip the switch back 1. Skips 2, 1 more, it skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep it on single and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next page, on the next line. Really nice typing machine. This is one of my favorites. Just really fun to type on these. And the font is unique. Not sure what it is. I would guess that it's Congress Elite, but I have to look that up. I have not done the research yet, and I have not listed this yet, but it will be listed as soon as I'm done with this video, and it will have that information. To pull the page out easy, you just flip the switch on the right to the front, and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. You go ahead and push that back up to the black, which prints the top portion of the ribbon, and put that down. The red just prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. As you can see, the vibrator goes up higher, so it prints the bottom portion. You have it in the middle, the vibrator will not go up at all, and the top prints the top portion of the ribbon. You got a shift on each side and the shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the left side. Works good. This model has a very unique function called the power space. So you get to the beginning of the carriage and you hit that power space. And it's like a machine gun, it just keeps going until you let it off. Regular space just goes one space at a time. Up top is the tabs function. So we're gonna hit set right there, kind of towards the middle of the platen, and hit the tab button. It stops at that spot that I set it. To clear it, just hit the shift button or clear button. It goes all the way to the end. So we're just going to set one in the middle, that way next time it gets hit, it doesn't go slamming all the way to the end, causing wear and tear. And you can set as many tabs as you want on this model. On the left side here is the touch control, low, medium, and high. The further down you go, the harder you have to hit the keys for them to respond, but they do respond faster for more advanced typing. This function is, it's got an arrow with 2 lines facing down. What that does is if the keys stick, they won't stick on this one because I just serviced it, but I don't know, sometimes it will. If you push it in hard enough, then you just hit this and it brings it down. So that's pretty cool. Most typewriter, actually I don't think any other typewriter has that function, so that's pretty cool. MR stands for margin release, which is down here on the right. You get to the end of the carriage, it'll lock the keys so they can't hit or print, so you just hit the MR and it will allow you to get past that block. That works good. The hood slides to the front like that, so you can access the spools. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. And if you want to switch the direction, you just push this little lever in behind the left spool and it'll start pulling to the left. You push it towards the front, it'll pull to the right. That works good. Another cool function of this model is you can pop this little panel off and lift this. Get a better view. Pop this panel off, lift this, and the platen will come all the way out like that, so you can clean the inside. Sometimes a bunch of debris with dust gets stuck in there, and it just kind of pops right back in if you line it up right. Let's see here. Yep, now it's back in and working just like normal, and this snaps back down. And This little thing right here is how you lock it when it's in the case, and that protects the escapement. It's called an escapement throwout. The escapement is the gears that allow the carriage to move when you type, and if those get broken, it's a major operation to repair that. Carriage release on each side, and these inserts are made out of plastic, so be careful when you using these break so easily. Kind of a poor design if you ask me, but when they're working they're actually really cool because it's just a really good leverage. When you push in this button here, it'll allow you to spin the platen without navigating with the spaces. Each one of those clicks is a space. By the way, check out my mosquito bite on my hand. Anyway, that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.